Hi guys, welcome again to Lost Dogs. Let's check what we got. Wow, seems to have been on a losing streak, guys. Wow, which is really bad, guys. We lost. We lost the game. Come on, let's go on to today's own. So we're told to find an average card today. Alright. This is day 21. That's in 2 days left. Okay guys, we'll go on through the story. The weekly gatherings was organized by dog activists using a super secret network of string telephones. The agenda included discussing news about the missing puppies. Missing puppies have become an increasingly common occurrence in recent days. Naturally, the resistance thought that the mutant cult was behind this. The cult in turn denied the public accusation. The cultists shifted the blame onto Barcross the Great Paul, who had been notorious for similar behaviors in the past. Heartbroken parents revealed the details of their puppies' kidnapping, hoping to locate any clues that could lead them to their missing pups. With the help of other members of the resistance gathering, Bobby, as usual, ran off to play in the backyard, where he loved chasing his tail in circles. His mother cried, just like his late father. At that moment, a dog who had been keeping watch ran into the room and shouted, "Pastor, the cult!" The cultists stormed the resistance assembly wearing black robes with the cult symbol on their chests. They began breaking everything in their paths and attacked the gathered participants. How will the activists respond? To get a hint, follow the link and look for the coveted numbers with our friends from Play Deck. A tiny plot twist. The hint will be updated every hour until 29 CAT. By the way, we also added a task to enter the Play Deck in our game. There you will find wolf and additional bones to make your choice stronger. So the question is, how will the activists respond? So let's find the average card, guys. Let's fight back, run away, and negotiate. Fight back, but run away, doesn't seem right.